Hello, everyone.
Hi.
This is the year tasting of Rosemary Raspberry, which, if you remember, I think it was at the very end of one of our first two tastings. It had to have been the second one because you were like,
I was pretty.
You were toasted.
Blitzed. Yeah.
and you were like, oh, what did you say? It's like my favorite
Oh.
is Rosemary Raspberry. That's my bae or something like that. It was pretty good. So this was a little bit sparkly.
I remember that.
But I don't know if it will be anymore because it has been a solid year.
It sounds like it might have a little bit of like.
It was very slight. It was a little.
Yeah, just the
Just a
slightest
little.
whisper.
It smells good.
I really like it.
Ooh,
It's very
it's got
alcoholic.
some kick.
It's very alcoholic.
Even after a year, it has that much alcohol burn. Very.
See, it's
Ooh.
hard because like I like the alcohol burn, so like I don't know what it's supposed to taste like. Like I'm like, oh yeah, like yeah, like let's do this. But yeah.
By
I don't
about
know.
a year, that should have like smoothed out
Chilled
more.
out a little.
However, this was an unintentionally sparkling drink. Clearly, the sparkle's gone. I think it's probably like 15%. I don't know. I mean, it's got legs. It smells like
won't
raspberry.
say.
It's nice, but
Yeah. I mean, it tastes very, very.
because it's that like really sharp raspberry acidity, and then you do get rosemary like
Yeah, you do get.
second after.
You do get rosemary. You get it both.
It's kind of in the middle-ish. It's not bad.
No, I mean, it's pretty good. I like it. I like alcohol burn. This is like, I don't know. It tastes more like a cordial. It tastes more like liquor
Yeah, it does.
to me. Some kind of liquor.
It really does, though.
But it's like, it's like very, there's that burn.
Because it's sweet and herbal, but burny, so it is very, like, liqueur-ish.
Yeah. Yeah, this is very alcoholic.
It is.
This is a party drink. I feel like, so, you know how, oh my god, no. I'm going on these tangents. I'm so sorry. I don't know. The Victorians were very dramatic. And they had all those, like, very herbal drinks, and they'd always just be, like, swooning. Probably because it was hot, and they had, like, a billion layers on.
Oh my god, yeah. For real, though.
Like, I feel like you could just have, like, a little Victorian swooning party with this. Like, drink a whole bunch during the summer and then just swoon on a couch.
Yeah.
I don't know. I really like this, but it's probably because it will f you up.
Yeah, it's very acidic. There's, like, I mean, it's not balanced.
No, it's very unbalanced.
It's a very unbalanced.
This is an unbalanced mead.
It really is. It's not
Like the patron saint of our family mead.
unbalanced.
Unbalanced. That's a lot. I'm going to have some more.
All right, well, verdict. Not bad. Not too
Yeah.
shabby.
Not bad.
Interested in making it again, doing it
Like-
differently.
I mean, I think it tastes good for, like, if you weren't, I don't know, I don't want to say if you weren't making a mead, but, like, it's not super mead-ish
No.
to me. It's, I mean, I feel like it's more like some kind of liquor.
Yeah, I mean, you don't, like, get the honey or anything. It's just, like, alcohol.
Yeah. But
Fruit,
it's, like, good
alcohol, a little
It's like,
herby.
It's like wine? Is it, like, it doesn't taste like wine either, really. I don't know.
No. Yeah, the only thing you can
I
really
think
compare
you've
it to is, like, a
created
liqueur.
something new. It's like a fucking Franken drink. There it is. Like,
drink.
yeah.
A liqueur.
Aperitif.
Aperitif.
Oh.
I don't even. What does that mean?
Things like ouzo or sambuca, anything that you would drink between courses of a meal to help digestion.
So there you go.
I love that. Like Daniel's just this disembodied voice that comes and like tells us things.
It's
He
really
just
what I
knows.
aspire to in life.
Yeah, just to be a disembodied voice. I'm angry with myself that I didn't.
A pre-drink.
A pre-dinner drink, mid.
It's
I
a
think
midder
it's kind
drink.
Of both. It's like
A pritter and a midder.
Right? A pritter drink.
Pritter midder.
What is it?
That don't make no sense.
What?
So you can meet Daniel before we say bye-bye.
Yeah, you can meet him. So there he is.
There
Yep,
you
there we
go.
go. With his cool hair.
This is a Daniel.
Anyways, this is the guy that like knows what an aperitif is.
Anyway,
He's
bye.
the brains of this outfit. All right,
Yeah.
thank you so much for watching.
Thank you.
We appreciate it. We appreciate you.
Yeah.
Thanks for being here. And we will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.